Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit Special Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. After you open the menu, scroll through it by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the option called vibration. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have a list of vibration intensity levels. We have strong, soft, come on, like this, and off. So select the one you like, and then tap on the OK button to confirm. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.